เรียบสู้นี่ต้องออกគ្នាឈ្មោះខ្ញុំ Hella ឆ្លើយខានជួបគ្នាយូរណាស់ហើយឥឡូវជួបខ្ញុំនៅសវណ្ណភូមិថ្ងៃនេះសំខាន់ណាស់មកពី Vanda our goat our glorious king dropped a new MV release video ថ្មី How Savannah Poom originally it was supposed to be Time to Rise Part 2 but due to the untimely death of Lakru Kong Nai it just wouldn't be right to call it Time to Rise Part 2 so it is Savannah Poom I am excited to watch this, so let's get right into it. Rocking the Trey Versailles shirt, album in stores, let's get it! Yeah, I'm trying to play. Vanda, 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 Vanda. Woo!
So wonderful.
It's a movie.
មិនត្រឹមតែជាកន្លែងថែមទាំងជាអារម្មណ៍
It's a feeling.
So wonderful ជាទឹកដីកំណើតរបស់យើងជាទីកន្លែងដែលសម្បូរវប្បធម៌និងជាអារម្មណ៍ដែលខ្ញុំចង់ស្គាល់
សុវណ្ណភូមិដូចក្តីសង្ឃឹម
ប្រុសណាស់វ៉ាន់តាន់
ចេះញញឹមពេលជួបទុកព្រួយ
Wow. Look at the effects. That's some cool what? Oh my god, it's a movie.
ខ្ញុំចូលទីនេះតំណាងឲ្យខ្មែរប្រៀបដូចព្រះវិស្ណុដៃ1000អ្នកស្ដាប់ខ្ញុំយល់ប្រៀបដូចមន្តអាគមប្រៀបដូចត្រវគមគេសាក់យន់មានអធិពលមានធម្មពលដោយហៅទឹកភ្លៀងហើយបកលនសំឡេងខ្ញុំបែកពីពេញពិភពលោកប្រៀបដូចអ្នកប្រាជ្ញធាថាពន់ I got a roof run តននៅក្មេងខ្ញុំមានមនសិការចាក្នុងសំឡេងចាស់ចូលចិត្តពេលខ្ញុំសងព្រេងតាឡាស្នាមខ្ញុំថាជាស្ដេចក្មេងខឹកក្រែងដូចដុំជួយដី flow ហូរបែកចេញទិសទាំង8ខ្លួនមានបារមីដូចជាកុងសីទឹកមកខ្ជាក់ពឹសដូចកសុបល័យខ្ញុំឈ្មោះវណ្ដា
Ooh, bars. He said, Vanda. Oh my god. He said, Vanda. Nice to meet you, Vanda. Bang Chley. Ooh, what an opening line. Oh my god. I mean, I'm hyped right now. Let's keep it flowing, y'all. Spitting hot plug right off the top, Vanda. ចាប់ពីដើមទៀត មានអ្នកស្ការចាក្នុងសំឡេងចាស់ចូលចិត្តពេលខ្ញុំសងព្រេងតាឡាស្នាមខ្ញុំថាជាស្ដេចក្មេងខឹកក្រែងដូចដុំជួយដី flow ហូរបែកចេញទិសទាំង8ខ្លួនមានបារមីដូចជាកុងសីទឹកមកខ្ជាក់ពឹសដូចកសុបល័យខ្ញុំឈ្មោះវណ្ដាកើតលើដែនដីសវណ្ណភូមិរឹងដូចថ្មដាដាក់ផែនទីខ្មែរគេ zoom មិនធម្មតា But it's on the map baby លើកដំបូងស្រេចពេញលោកកាលិសទាំងវិជើងឲ្យហួសត្បូងខ្ញុំឈ្មោះវណ្ដាកើតលើដែនដីសវណ្ណភូមិរឹងដូចថ្មដាដាក់ផែនទីខ្មែរគេ zoom មិនធម្មតាលើកទង់ជាតិខ្មែរជាលើកដំបូងស្រេចពេញលោកកាលិសទាំងវិជើងឲ្យហួសត្បូង He said zoom into the map he put it on the map not Tomada he's not regular Vanda you are the goat man they can never make me hate you keep going let's get it បោះសពពីសំដីតាក់ទាញស្រីលវអ្នកមាក់ថប់សំដីបាត់ឈ្មោះពីនគរចាញ់ដែងទ្រឹស្ដីឈប់សំដីទៅតាម flow ខ្នះខ្នែងដូចកវីពីសម័យមហានគរខាងនេះដូចជារមណចន្ទលេជាមួយមន្តពុកជំរៀងភងពុកជ្រងលេលើលេងដឹងជើងត្បូងលេងពតដឹងកលជួបពេលភ្នែកខំស្គប់ព្រីស្គប់ដើរប្រាប់គេថាខ្ញុំជាមិត្តភក្តិតាំងតែខ្ញុំសម័យខ្លួនមិនដែលនៅស្គាល់អ្នកមិនចង់មានអធិពលពីអ្នកមិនខំប្រឹងស៊ីបាយតបពីខ្ញុំមកសាច់ហើយសោះតែឆ្អឹងក៏ប្រមង្គៀមមិនជួយតែឈាមដៃតង់ឡើងរវាមិនក៏ធ្វើយ៉ាងហ្នឹងឬចាត់ទុកខ្ញុំជាឈាមខ្លំមកដូចជាមានផ្លេចថាខ្ញុំជាសិនអូអេងណារនូរមីគ្មានអ្វីត្រូវពិបាកតែពេលនេះទុកខ្ញុំអ្នកធ្វើបើអ្នកមិនណើពើទុកខ្ញុំអ្នកមើលបបភ្នែកអ្នកខាត់គីខ្មែរយើងមិនមែនអ្នកជំងឺស៊ីមើងងាយពុះក្បាលពួកឲ្យបែកជាពីណាក៏ដោយឲ្យតែមើងងាយខ្មែរជន់កឲ្យតតែភ្លេចលៀនថ្លែ Are you guys following along to the lyrics? He spit some bars, Khmer blood. I love that they incorporated Labokatao fighters, our Kun Khmer, our ancient art, our Boran fighting. Every time I see Khmer martial arts, especially in Khmer rap videos, I get super excited because Kun Khmer, Labokatao, that's in our blood, our ancestors. It's our ancient art form, a way of combat, a way of fighting. I get so excited so much because I love martial arts more than anything. I said it time and time again. If you guys been following me, that martial arts is my first love, and I'm really proud and happy to see Vanda incorporate Kun Khmer. Also, by the way, Kun Khmer is now an official sport. They got an official world champion belt for Kun Khmer. So this is a big win for our martial art. Oh man, I love this. Let's keep it going, guys.
កាត់លើដែនដីសវណ្ណភូមិរឹងដូចថ្មដាដាក់ផែនទីខ្មែរគេ zoom មិនធម្មតាលើកទង់ជាតិខ្មែរជាលើកដំបូងស្រោចពេញលោកកា
Hey
លើកស្ថឹងពីជើងឲ្យហួសត្បូងខ្ញុំឈ្មោះវណ្ដា
ឈ្មោះខ្ញុំវណ្ដា
កាត់លើដែនដីសវណ្ណភូមិរឹងដូចថ្មដាដាក់ផែនទីខ្មែរគេ zoom មិនធម្មតាលើកទង់ជាតិខ្មែរជាលើកដំបូងស្រោចពេញលោកកាលើកស្ថឹងពីជើងឲ្យហួសត្បូង
Man, the visual effects is crazy. This is pure theatricals. This is a movie. Oh man, I want to go to Angkor Wat so bad. Woo! I need a photo shoot with Gun Khmer outfit out there with my peoples. Also, Vantan produced the instrument.
ឈឹមខ្មែរវរមិនចេញច្បាំងជាដំរីរត់ប្រកាន់មានបល័យលើស្បែកមានឋានជាលបកតោស្ត្រូវទៅបានមកតាំងលើក្រុមច័ន្ទសំដីមានប្រេងក្នុងភ្លេងមានស្វាតាំងនាមទៅកុំមិនលើកទង់ជាតិខ្មែរទៅដល់លើធម្មជាតិឈឹមខ្មែរវរមិនចេញច្បាំងជាដំរីរត់ប្រកាន់
Let's go
មានឋានជាលបកតោស្ត្រូវទៅបានមកតាំងលើក្រុមច័ន្ទសំដីមានប្រេងក្នុងភ្លេងមានស្វាតាំងនាមទៅកុំមិនលើកទង់ជាតិខ្មែរទៅដល់លើធម្មជាតិจะโดนอาวุธมุกสรุยมันได้ปลื้มปลื้มที่สตรมาวินาที่มาวิเล็กมาวิกายมาวิเชื่อมาวิตะโบงนับปะโรงโจมดึกกำลังยังเป็นขบวนให้ยังเตยตั้งกันลงประสาทบากงแต่ไม่ได้สมัยกันได้
Yo, Vanda is wearing like a ancient robe. It's giving Star Wars. A lot of people saying it's Star Wars, but what if our people dress like that? Let's go.
ครั้งแต่สมัยตะพอสังคมเข้าไปตุนกาเปียเชียร์กาเปียตึกเลยปรากฏระบบกตารบปอนชนะมนรบปอนชนะคราวยังในน้ำนางมีนแค่ดำแนลช่างเลี้ยตะดาสลบปากเข้าไปกลยุทธกลยุทธเซลยุทธศาสตร์น้ำประเทศเราจำนางมวยนี้เอาในไอ้แต่มาคางเมื่อเนี่ยมีน้ำนวดได้ชุดได้กี่ชานขมายเอาเจ็บปวดแต่ปวดได้ก่อสร้างบ่ปฐมมันได้สวดบ่ยังใช้ดำนางบ่เกทายังอวดยังทำเป็นสำนางบ่เกทายังอวดเอาสำได้ได้น้องลำแบงยังอดจากนี่ไอ้ยังบ่เคยขมายยังน้อยอดกระจกอย่างไหนกระจกอย่างไหน
Let's go.
I'm hyped.
Time to rise, not time to run. Woo! Come on, baby. Woo!
ឈឹមខ្មែរវរមិនចេញច្បាំងជាដំរីរត់ប្រកាន់មានបល័យលើស្បែកមានឋានជាលបកតោស្ត្រូវបែររ៉ាន់មកតាំងលើក្រុមច័ន្ទសំដីមានប្រេងក្នុងភ្លេងមានស្មានតាំងនាមទៅកុំមិនលើកទង់ជាតិខ្មែរទៅដល់លើធម្មជាតិឈឹមខ្មែរវរមិនចេញច្បាំងជាដំរីរត់ប្រកាន់មានបល័យលើស្បែកមានឋានជាលបកតោស្ត្រូវបែររ៉ាន់មកតាំងលើក្រុមច័ន្ទសំដីមានប្រេងក្នុងភ្លេងមានស្មានតាំងនាមទៅកុំមិនលើកទង់ជាតិខ្មែរទៅដល់លើធម្មជាតិ
Puro na ba? Puro maintain na wala. Nhưng mà đây khơi thế. Vanda lệch mũi. Vanda lệch mũi. Pure cinema, pure cinema. Oh, I love this video. Oh my lord. Angkor Wat's layout aligns with the Draco constellation. I don't know what the Draco constellation is, but it is very interesting. I gotta do my research. Angkor Wat, it's a wonder of the world, man. No place like Angkor Wat. Oh my lord. We might have to run this back, guys. Vantan is singing right now. Look at the credits. They put a lot of time, effort. Yeah, this is the video of the year. This is the video of the year, y'all. Ooh, puro maintain. Shout out to Vantan, man. That guy's so talented. I love my culture. Nhâm xà lanh Salapak my yen. Today Visay album out. ABA Bank is a sponsor. Let's run it back with no commentary. Let's vibe out one time for the one time. We're running it back, guys. មើលម្ដងទៀតជាមួយបងឆ្លើយបាទ No commentary.
Suvarnabhumi មិនត្រឹមតែជាកន្លែងថែមទាំងជាអារម្មណ៍សុវណ្ណភូមិជាទឹកដីកំណើតរបស់យើងជាទីកន្លែងដែលសម្បូរវប្បធម៌និងជាអារម្មណ៍ដែលខ្ញុំចង់ស្គាល់
សុវណ្ណភូមិដោយក្តីសង្ឃឹមត្រូវใจញញឹមពេលជួបទុកព្រួយ ខ្ញុំចូលទីនេះតំណាងឲ្យខ្មែរប្រៀបដូចព្រះវិស្ណុដៃ1000អ្នកស្ដាប់ខ្ញុំយល់ប្រៀបដូចមន្តអាគមប្រៀបដូចត្រវគមគេសាក់យ័ន្តមានអធិពលមានធម្មពលដោយហៅទឹកភ្លៀងហើយផ្គលន់សំឡេងខ្ញុំបែកពីពេញពិភពលោកប្រៀបដូចអ្នកប្រាជ្ញឃាថាពន់ I got a roof run តនៅក្មេងខ្ញុំមានមនសិការចាក្នុងសំឡេងចាស់ចូលចិត្តពេលខ្ញុំសងព្រេងដាឡាស្នាមខ្ញុំថាជាស្ដេចក្មេងក្រឹកកក្រែងដូចរំជួយដី flow ហូរបែកចេញទិសទាំង8ខ្លួនមានបារមីដូចជាកុងសីទឹកមកខ្ជាក់ពឹសដូចកសុបល័យខ្ញុំឈ្មោះវណ្ដាកើតលើដែនដីសុវណ្ណភូមិរឹងដូចថ្មដាដាក់ផែនទីខ្មែរគេ zoom មិនធម្មតាលើកទង់ជាតិខ្មែរជាលើកដំបូងស្រោចពេញលោកកាលិសថងពីជើងឲ្យហួសត្បូងខ្ញុំឈ្មោះវណ្ដាកើតលើដែនដីសុវណ្ណភូមិរឹងដូចថ្មដាដាក់ផែនទីខ្មែរគេ zoom មិនធម្មតាលើកទង់ជាតិខ្មែរជាលើកដំបូងស្រោចពេញលោកកាលិសថងពីជើងឲ្យហួសត្បូងបោះសក់ពីសម្ដីតាក់ទាញសិលបោអ្នកមាក់ថប់សម្ដីបាត់ឈ្មោះពីនគរចាញ់ដែងទ្រឹស្ដីឈប់សម្ដីទៅតាម flow ខ្នះខ្នែងដូចកវីពីសម័យមហានគរខាងនេះដូចជារមណចន្ទលេជាមួយមន្តគូចម្រៀងពងពុកជ្រងលេលើលេងដឹងជើងត្បូងលេងដំពត់ដឹងកលជួបពេកភ្នែកខំស្គបព្រីស្គបដល់ប្រាប់គេថាខ្ញុំជាមិត្តភក្តិតាំងតែខ្ញុំសម័យខ្លួនមិនដែលនៅស្គាល់អ្នកចង់មានអធិពលពីអ្នកមិនខំប្រឹងស៊ីបាយតបពីខ្ញុំមកសាច់ហើយសន្និដ្ឋានឆ្អឹងក៏ប្រមង្គៀមមិនជួយទៅឈាមដៃតងឡើងរវាងមិនក៏ធ្វើយ៉ាងហ្នឹងឬចាត់ទុកខ្ញុំជាឈាមខ្លាប់មកដូចជាមានផ្លេចថាខ្ញុំជាសិនអូអេងណារនូរមីគ្មានអ្វីត្រូវពិបាកតែពេលនេះទុកខ្ញុំអ្នកធ្វើបើអ្នកមិនអើពើទុកខ្ញុំអ្នកមើលបបភ្នែកអ្នកខាត់គីខ្មែរយើងមិនមែនអ្នកជំងឺស៊ីមើងងាយពុះក្បាលពួកឲ្យបែកជាពីណាក៏ដោយឲ្យតែមើងងាយខ្មែរជន់កឲ្យតតែភ្នែកលៀនថ្លែខ្ញុំឈ្មោះវណ្ដាកើតលើដែនដីសុវណ្ណភូមិរឹងដូចថ្មដាដាក់ផែនទីខ្មែរគេ zoom មិនធម្មតាលើកទង់ជាតិខ្មែរជាលើកដំបូងស្រោចពេញលោកកាលិសថងពីជើងឲ្យហួសត្បូងខ្ញុំឈ្មោះវណ្ដាកើតលើដែនដីសុវណ្ណភូមិរឹងដូចថ្មដាដាក់ផែនទីខ្មែរគេ zoom មិនធម្មតាលើកទង់ជាតិខ្មែរជាលើកដំបូងស្រោចពេញលោកកាលិសថងពីជើងឲ្យហួសត្បូង ជុំខ្មែរវរម័នចេញច្បាំងជាដំរីរត់ប្រកាន់មានបល័យលើស្បែកមានអឋានចេះលបកតោស្ត្រូវ better run មកតាំងលើក្លឹមច័ន្ទសំដីមានប្រេងក្នុងភ្លេងមានស្មានតាំងនាមមកតកុំមិនលើកទង់ជាតិខ្មែរទៅដល់លើធម្មច័ន្ទជុំខ្មែរវរម័នចេញច្បាំងជាដំរីរត់ប្រកាន់មានបល័យលើស្បែកមានអឋានចេះលបកតោស្ត្រូវ better run មកតាំងលើក្លឹមច័ន្ទសំដីមានប្រេងក្នុងភ្លេងមានស្មានតាំងនាមមកតកុំមិនលើកទង់ជាតិខ្មែរទៅដល់លើធម្មច័ន្ទจะโดนอาวุธมุกสรุยมันได้ปลื้มที่สตร์มาวินาจึงมาวิเล็กมาวิกายมาวิเชิงมาวิตะวงอันนั้นบาโรมชงอันนั้นเรียบด้วยกำลังยังเป็นขบวนในยังเตยตั้งกันลงประสาทบากงแต่ไม่น่าสมัยกันได้มันยังจะซาชิบะยังจะคนบุกเบิกบรอจำนวนมนจอมครองให้ยังเชื่อดำเกินดูสมัยอังโกครั้งเตียงสมัยตะพอสังคมมีขบายคนกาเปียเชียกาเปียตึกใบปรากฏระบบกตารบปอนชนะมนรบปอนชนะคราวยังในน้ำนางมีนแค่ดำแนวช่างเลี้ยงตะดาสลบปากขบายคนยุตะกลมยุตะเซลยุตะซากน้ำประเทศเราจำนางมวยนี้เอาในไอ้แต่มาคางเมื่อแนมมีน้ำนัวได้ชุดได้กี่ชานขมายเอาเจ็บปวดแต่ปวดได้ก่อสร้างบ่ปะทอมันได้สวดใบยังเช่ดำนางบ่เกทายังอวดยังทำเป็นสำนางบ่เกทายังอวดเอาสำได้ได้น้องลำแบงยังเอาจากนี่ไอ้ยังบ่คือขมายยังลอยอดกระจกอย่างไหนกระจกอย่างไหนบ่
ឃើញខ្មែរយើងឡើងអត់យកជើងមកបែកនេះអត់ដែរចេះបំផ្លាញក៏អត់ចេះបំផ្លែងយើងចេះតែបង្ហាញឲ្យបង្ហាញគេដំណើរ Cause it's time to rise not time to rot បើសិនជាខ្ញុំរត់ទៅឲ្យផុតនៅពេលខ្ញុំមកវិញខ្ញុំជួបអ្នកមកឈត់ដូចដៃដែលខ្ញុំលុតហើយខ្ញុំចាប់អ្នកមកពុតឲ្យអ្នករត់ធត់មើលឃើញខ្ញុំដូចគឺខ្មោចបើសិនជាខ្ញុំដុតអ្នកឲ្យក្រោកចង់សើចជាមួយខ្ញុំតែខ្ញុំអត់លេងសើចចង់លេងជាមួយខ្មែរឈ្មោះអ្នកអសោចពូអ្នកចំបាំងមកខ្លាំងក៏មិនច្បាំងដែរធ្លាប់បាននិគមតែខ្ញុំខ្លាំងនៅបារាំងដែរយើងមកភ្នំដូចជាភ្នំនឹងរ៉ែដែនដីសវណ្ណភូមិតែដីកំណើតខ្មែរឈឹមខ្មែរវ៉ារ៉ាម៉ាន់ចេញច្បាំងជាដំរីហត់ប្រកាន់មានបល័យលើស្បែកមានអឋានចេះលបកតោផ្សត្រូវ better run មកតាំងដោយក្រុមច័ន្ទសំដីមានប្រេងក្នុងភ្លេងមានស្មានតាំងនាមទៅកុំមិនលើកតងជាតិខ្មែរទៅដល់លើធម្មច័ន្ទឈឹមខ្មែរវ៉ារ៉ាម៉ាន់ចេញច្បាំងជាដំរីហត់ប្រកាន់មានបល័យលើស្បែកមានអឋានចេះលបកតោផ្សត្រូវ better run មកតាំងដោយក្រុមច័ន្ទសំដីមានប្រេងក្នុងភ្លេងមានស្មានតាំងនាមទៅកុំមិនលើកតងជាតិខ្មែរទៅដល់លើធម្មច័ន្ទ
Vanda Late Mui. Vanda, I love you. Amazing. Incredible, guys. Incredible. Oh, final thoughts, guys. Whew. I got so hyped with the Khmer, man. I had to do the upside down elbow. Woohoo! Man, shout out to Vanda. Shout out to Vantan. Shout out to the whole Barmay crew. Shout out to everybody involved in this music video. Shout out to everybody involved into, creating this song. I know it took some time. I'm pretty sure I actually watched their documentary they released prior to this. I was just so inspired, just seeing Laura Mom. Like I spoke to Laura like in 2020 on my podcast during the pandemic. Like everything we spoke about, it has come into fruition. It's like Barmay spoke it into existence, Right now, we are witnessing greatness. Young Mandai Khơi talent like this in our lifetime. We may not see another talent like Vanda in our lifetime. So that's why I encourage everybody to support Vanda Barmay because they are putting Khmer music on the map, in the mainstream, on the global stage. Vanda performed at the Olympics. He performed Time to Rise. Vanda is also coming to LA July 12th and 13th. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to see Vanda on American soil because there's no guarantee that he'll be back. You know what I'm saying? But with everything that's going on, I'm so happy and blessed to be a part of the Khmer diaspora to see this. I believe that if Sinsi Samut Rosare Sotir Pairon was alive, they will be proud of Vanda. I know Lokru Kongnai is proud from heaven to see Salapat Khmer music. We are no longer the underdogs. We've been the underdogs for the longest. Now we have one of the biggest artists in the world. It's Time to Rise. Hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. And sorry it took so long, but I had to wait for this Trevasai shirt. Link will be in the description to order, to support. It's his first international merchandise. You could order it right off the Empire website. For those who don't know, my homegirl, Selah, explained what Empire is. Pretty much is a record distribution company home to some of your favorite mainstream artists such as Kendrick Lamar, Playboi Carti, XXX Tentacion, just to name a few. With that being said, Vanda Barmay put Khmer on the map for real. Zoom. Mentomara. So zoom on the map. Just know that it's not regular. Please share, like, comment, subscribe. Go run up the views on Vanda's music video, Savannah Poom, right now. Stream the Trevasai album. This is a Vanda Stan account at this point. I believe no one go harder for Vanda than I do. I'm an OG. And my job as an OG is to support the new generation. I love what's going on with the Khmer music scene. Aside from Vanda, there's a lot of good new artists as well. And let me know in the comments who I should react to. I know it's been a while, but hey, I'm back, baby. Let's get it. See you guys in LA, July 12th and 13th. peace out សូមអរគុណ bye peace